Scene 1. Buying a shirt.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a shirt.
Great. What size do you wear?
I think I'm a medium.
What color do you like? This one?
I like white.
Nice choice. It's $240.
Wow, that's a bit expensive. Can I get a discount?
Today, we have a 10% discount.
Oh, nice. Can I try it on?
Sure. The fitting room's right over there.
Thanks.
How's the shirt?
It looks great. But do you have another style?
Yes, we also have a short-sleeved one. It's new.
Is it the same size?
Yes, and it fits you well, too.
What's it made of?
It's 100% cotton.
Perfect. Can I pay by card?
Of course.
Great. I'll take this one.
Perfect. I'll pack it for you.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Have a nice day.
Wait, it's $240 and you said 10% off, right?
Yes, so the final price is $216.
Great. I'll pay by card.
Tap or insert your card, please.
Done.
Thank you. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Here's your shirt and your bag.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Scene 2. Getting a haircut.
Hi. How's it going today?
Hey, I'm good. Just need a haircut.
Sure thing. Have a seat.
Thanks.
How do you want it?
Short on the sides, a bit longer on top.
Got it. You want a fade?
Yeah, a low fade, please.
Cool. Want me to clean up the beard too?
Nah, just the hair.
You want some gel after?
Yeah, just a little bit.
All right. Let's get started. A few minutes later, what do you think?
Looks great, man.
You want to wash it?
Nah, I'm good.
All right. That'll be 25.
I'll pay cash. Here's 30.
Thanks. Here's 5 back.
Thanks.
No problem. Have a good one.
You too. See ya.
Scene 3. The date night.
Hey, sorry I'm a little late.
It's okay. I just got here.
These are for you.
Oh my gosh. Are those roses?
Yeah, 50 roses for the prettiest girl.
Wow. They're beautiful. Thank you.
You're welcome. You look amazing tonight.
Thanks. You look nice too.
Look at the stars. The sky's so clear.
It's beautiful. Do you come here often?
Nope. Only with you.
Aw, that's so sweet.
I'm really glad you're here.
Me too.
Are you cold?
A little bit?
Here, take my jacket.
Thank you. You're so kind.
Because I care about you.
You always make me smile.
We're almost at your place.
Okay. Thanks for the ride.
You're welcome. And thanks for the lovely evening.
And thank you for the flowers.
You deserve them all.
Good night.
Good night. Sweet dreams.
Drive safe.
I will. See you soon.